What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, today I want to bring you guys the mini electric chainsaw from SAKER. Oh yeah, it's a SAKER mini electric chainsaw, fam. Family, I was contacted by SAKER and they asked old Black Guns would he provide an honest assessment of their product, y'all. Oh yeah, they asked would I provide an honest assessment of their product. So obviously, fam, I agreed to do it. Oh yeah, old Black Guns agreed to do it. So here we go, y'all. Here we go. Let's get into it. So family, the SAKER mini electric chainsaw comes nicely packaged. The box includes or contains one AC plug-in battery charger. It contains one screwdriver, one wrench, and one container of chain oil, y'all. It also includes the instructional manual. It's pretty easy to read. It includes one 20-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery. And of course, family, it includes the chainsaw. Oh yeah. So family, some of the chainsaw's specifications include it is equipped with a pure copper motor, which ensures power and efficiency. The chain rotates at a speed of about 780 rotations per minute. The SAKER mini electric chainsaw is about 13 and a half inches long, y'all. And it only weighs about 2 pounds. Family, the chainsaw's bar is about 4 inches long, which basically means you can cut branches or cut wood that is about 4 inches in diameter, y'all. Oh yeah. So family, this unit is equipped with some safety features, y'all. It has some safety features. It's equipped with a trigger safety, if you will. So you must depress that button on the side while simultaneously pressing the trigger to engage the blade. It also is equipped with a hard plastic hand guard, y'all. It also is equipped with a hard plastic chain guard. The unit comes equipped with a wristlet. And honestly, the wristlet is not too long that it would get caught into the chain. So that's a very nice addition, y'all. Family, this unit is very lightweight. It can actually be operated with one hand. Oh, yeah. So let's have a little fun, y'all. Let's cut some. Oh, yeah, let's cut some, fam. So family, as you can see, this unit is more than adequate. Y'all, it's more than adequate. So I highly recommend the SAKER Mini Electric Chainsaw. Oh yeah, family. Black Guns highly recommends the SAKER Mini Electric Chainsaw, y'all. So family, I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I really, really do. I appreciate all the support, fam. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.